Hello everyone, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on a 2013 Tri-Glide, 103 cubic inch. We're going to be installing some LED lights in the engine compartment. And also, we're going to be changing out the horn. This is what was on the bike, what is on the bike, and we're going to put back the OEM horn on there. My buddy here, Gary, says that this is the clown horn. We're going to give you a sample of that in just a bit, before and after. And well, the kit that we're going to be installing is one that came off of his 2007 Ultra. And, you know, we're going to essentially install these lights. So we're going to have to do some brocanicking, considering that, you know, it's not new in the box. Now, it's not uncommon, you know, for us to us home brocanics, you know, take something off another vehicle and put it on another vehicle. So this is an example here of how you can do that. And, you know, if it's not broken, why buy a new one, right? Let's take a look and see what we got to work with. Okay, so these are the LED lights. It comes with your little control module here. It also comes with a remote control to be able to cycle through the colors. Now, this is one of them that has these RGB controls, like this guy right here, so you can kind of change the lighting as you go, or have it set to a static color. But I mean, this is pretty straightforward. I've had lights on my street light once upon a time, a long time ago, and really there's only a couple of wires you have to install. And it's just a matter of how you route the lights. So your basic positive, your negative. This blue right here is your antenna, and a lot of the kits will come with these extensions on there, so you can you know, bundle these together to whatever length that you need. And I've already went ahead and kind of put this together on how, you know, I want it set up, or how Gary wants it set up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a strip of lights right in the back here, right above the distributor, and here by the heat shields on either side, and right underneath the gas tank. If ideally you want it away from the cans here, because you don't want the components to melt. So as I take the gas tank off, we're going to try to see if having on the frame rails will work. If not, you know, possibly along the gas tank here. Usually it's on the frame rails, but we're going to see and check fitment. So I will have a link in the description below of some possible LED lights that'll work for your Tri-Glide, or, you know, any motorcycle for that matter. Like I said, I had a kit just like this, and they're reasonable in price, and very easy to install. So with that said, let's start brocanicking. Okay, so what I've done so far is we use zip ties just to hold the LED strips in place. The double stick tape was kind of worn on these. I didn't have any lying around, but I actually had these little doohickeys right here. What these are, they have 3M tape in the back, and what you can do is you can stick a zip tie through it. You can fasten it, and then this allows you to stick it to wherever you need to. So like with these right here, I want to place these on these air deflectors here, and kind of have them mounted this way, so the lights shine towards the motor here. So how to do that, all I'm going to do is just slip this through like so, and have it attached, and then peel off the backing tape and then stick it to where you know I need to put it. So onward. Okay, so we have gotten pretty much everything kind of set up. Right now what we've got is an LED strip right back here. We have two on either side here of the air deflectors here. We have two on each can, and then just kind of routed it through here. And all we gotta do is just connect the positive and negative. So I kind of jumped ahead here. Sorry guys, I wanted you guys to hear this horn. It really did sound like a clown horn. But I mean, I kind of jumped ahead and just kind of disassembled it. So it's just essentially two wires. Now this one here has a relay on there and all this fun stuff. I mean, it looks like it's supposed to be loud, but it didn't really sound loud at all. So this is probably defective. What we're going to do is replace this horn with the OEM horn. And it's just basically two wires. So I mean, really nothing to it. So we're just going to move ahead. I'm just going to install this horn, and then I'll get everything buttoned up, and then we're going to go give this a test really quick to see how the lights come on and all that stuff, and then we'll do a quick debrief. Onward. Okay gang, so fast forward, got the horn installed, and I do apologize. I was gonna give you a sample sound bite of that clown horn, because it really did sound like a clown horn, but we got the horn installed, the lights installed, we're giving it a test now, and everything seems to be working okay. So let's have a look-see. Okay, so right now, I'm just kind of cycling through the lights. It's kind of hard hard to see because I mean, it's daylight, but we did a quick check on it and everything seems to be fine. I mean, it glows just fine. I mean, again, we took this off a 2007 Ultra and installing it on the 2013 Trike here, the Tri-Glide. And I mean, pretty straightforward. I mean, you just got to make sure that, you know, if you want to have it get the most out of the LED light, that you mount it on the frame rail on the back side. And in mines in the past, I've even put them in the front fender and the rear fender, but I took mines out a while back. And just two connections, positive and negative. That's pretty much it. And then, as you saw earlier, the horn was fairly simple as well. So you want to hit the horn for me there, Gary, to see what it sounds like. We're back to stock horn. Okay, so we're going to slap it back together and then maybe bring down the garage lights and have a good look and see how it looks like, you know, with in the dark. So, all right, onward. All right, gang, well, mission accomplished. So that wraps up another quick project. I'll leave a description for some options for those of you that are interested in putting on LED lights on your trike or, you know, on your motorcycle. Again, it's really not that difficult at all to do. It's just a matter of how and where, you know, where you're going to place those LEDs. I mean, there's a ton of different options out there, but hopefully you get a little bit out of this content and this install here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you, Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.